अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है ए वाली और मेरे यहाँ कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट हूँ, करंटली के अंदर टीचर एंड बॉटम में। तो आज मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू के लिए हैं इकरा ए वाली। अस्सलाम वालेकुम इकरा ए वाली, कैसी हैं आप? अस्सलाम वालेकुम इकरा, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम सलाम मीठी आप बताएं।
ठीक है। इकरा, आप जो है अपना थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दें मुझे शॉर्ट।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम और माय नेम इज Ikra very from the Transfer campus of PhD student.
ठीक है, तो आज हम आपसे इंटरव्यू लेना चाहते हैं। जिस टॉपिक पे हम लेना चाहते हैं वो है हाउ कैन एआई पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट। So now my first question is, what is artificial intelligence in simple words?
Artificial intelligence or AI is a type of advanced technology that allows machine and computer system to think, dialogue, and make decisions similar to human beings. AI can understand data, recognize patterns, and improve its performance over time. In education, AI is used in learning apps, smart classroom, virtual tutors, and class assessment system to support all students and teachers.
Okay, now my second question is, why is AI becoming so important in education today?
AI is becoming important because education needs to match the demand of the modern world. Students today are digital learners and have different learning styles. AI helps in creating flexible and personalized learning experience. It also prepares students for future careers where technology and AI skills will be essential.
ठीक है, तो मेरा तीसरा सवाल ये है कि डू यू थिंक एआई कैन रिप्लेस टीचर्स completely?
No, I do not believe AI can replace teachers completely. AI can provide information and practical insights. But teaching is a human centered decision. Teachers who shape confidence and guide students emotionally and morally. These qualities cannot be replaced by machines.
ठीक है इकरा, दैट्स ग्रेट, थैंक यू। और मेरा आपसे एक और सवाल है कि व्हाट आर द मेन रोल्स ऑफ टीचर्स दैट एआई कैन नॉट रिप्लेस?
Teachers act as mentors, counselors, motivators, and role models. They understand student emotions, family backgrounds, and learning challenges. Teachers teach values, discipline, teamwork, and empathy, which are deeply human qualities and cannot be taught by AI alone.
आप अपना आंसर रिपीट करें क्योंकि मुझे आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आई।
Okay, teachers act as mentors, counselors, motivators, and role models. They understand student emotions, family background, and learning challenges. Teachers teach value, discipline, teamwork, and empathy, which are deeply human qualities and cannot be taught by AI alone.
Now my first question is, how can AI help teachers in the classroom?
AI can help teachers by managing repetition tasks such as grading assignment, tracking attendance, and analyzing student progress. This save time and reduce workload. Teachers can then focus more on lesson creativity discussions with individual student goals.
Okay, now my sixth question is, can AI improve personalized learning?
Yes, AI greatly improves personalized learning. It can address lessons difficult according to a student's skills. Students who need extra help receive more practice, while advanced students receive challenging content. This creates a stress-free and supportive learning environment.
Okay, so that's great. What change will AI bring to the role of teachers?
AI will change teachers from information providers to learning facilitators. Teachers will guide students in thinking critically, solving problems, and applying knowledge in real life situations rather than just memorizing facts.
Okay. Do you think teachers should be afraid of AI?
No, teachers should not be afraid of AI. Instead, they should welcome it as a helpful tool when teachers learn to use AI effectively. It enhances their teaching and make learning more engaging for students.
Okay. Now my ninth question is, how can teachers prepare themselves for AI-based education?
Teachers can prepare by learning basic digital skills, attending training programs, and staying updated with new education technologies. A positive attitude towards change and lifelong learning is very important.
Okay. Can AI replace the emotional bond between teachers and students? Can AI replace the emotional bond between teachers and students? Ikra.
No, AI cannot replace emotional bonding. Teachers encouraging students, understanding their feelings, and support them during difficulties. This emotional connection builds trust and motivation, which is essential for effective learning.
Okay. Now, my 11th question is, what are the benefits of AI for students?
AI provides personalization, instant feedback, interactive content, and learning support anytime and anywhere. It helps students become independent learners and improves their confidence and problem solving abilities.
Okay. Now, my 12th question is, are there any risks of using AI in education?
Yet there are risks such as overreliance on technology, reduced face-to-face interaction, data privacy concerns, and unequal access to digital resources. This risk must be managed carefully with proper policies.
Okay. Now, my 13th question is, how can we balance AI and human teaching?
Balance can be achieved through blended learners. AI should assist teachers, not replace them. Teachers should remain at the center of education, like guiding contents, student emotionally and intellectually.
Okay, that's great. My 14th question is, will AI reduce teachers' workload?
AI can significantly reduce teachers' workload by automatic routine tasks. This allows teachers to focus more on student development, creativity, and meaningful teaching.
Can AI help students with special needs?
AI is very helpful for students with special needs. It offers customized and speech-to-text tools, visual aids, and flexible learning methods that support inclusive education.
Okay. What skills will future teacher needs?
Future teachers will need digital literacy, emotional intelligence, adaptability, creativity, communication skills, and the ability to guide them.
Okay. Now my question is: can AI replace creativity in teaching?
Now, creativity is new human quality. Teachers design engaging activities, storytelling methods, and classroom discussions that inspire students, which AI cannot fully replicate.
How does AI affect student motivation?
AI motivates students through interactive lesson, games, and instant feedback. However, teachers' encouragement and appreciations remain the strongest motivators for students.
Okay, that's great answer. Uh, my one more question is: will AI make education more accessible?
Can you repeat your question?
Will AI make education more accessible?
Yes, AI can make education accessible to remote areas through online platforms. However, equal access to technology is essential to avoid inequality.
What is your opinion on online AI tutors?
Online AI tutors are useful to practice the revision, but they cannot replace classroom teachers who provide guidance, discipline, and emotional support.
Okay. Can AI teach moral values?
No moral values are taught through human interaction, real life examples, and guidance from teachers and parents. AI lacks emotional understanding.
How can schools responsibly use AI?
Schools should use AI ethically, protect student data, train teachers properly, and ensure that AI supports learning rather than controlling it.
Will AI increase inequality in education?
AI may increase inequality if technology access is unequal. Government and institutions must work to provide affordable and equal access.
Okay. Can AI help teachers understand students better?
AI can analyze learning data and performance patterns, but teachers must interpret this data with empathy and understanding.
Okay. So, what will classroom look like in the future?
Future classrooms will be smart, interactive, and technology supported with teachers guiding students and encouraging collaboration.
Should AI be included in teacher training programs? Ikra. Question number 26. Should AI be included in teacher training programs?
Yes, AI training should be included so teachers can confidently and use technology in their classrooms.
Okay. How can parents support AI based learning?
Parents can support by guiding children, monitoring screen time, and encouraging balanced learning habits.
Can AI help in assessment?
AI can provide quick and fair assessment, but teachers should incorporate creativity, understanding, and critical thinking.
Will AI make teachers less important?
No, AI will make teachers more important as mentors, guidance, and leaders in learning.
What is the biggest misconception about AI in education?
The biggest misconceptions is that AI will completely replace teachers, which is not true.
How should students view AI?
Students should view AI as a learning support tool, not a shortcut or replacement for effort.
Okay. Question number 33. Can I support lifelong learning?
Can you repeat your question?
Can AI support lifelong learning?
Yes, AI allows people to learn anytime and anywhere, supporting lifelong education.
ओके इकरा मुझे आपके साथ इंटरव्यू करके बहुत अच्छा लगा तो अल्लाह हाफिज़
Allah Hafiz.